Beginning Monday, September 9th, southbound transit on these 12 routes, former Alaskan Way Viaduct routes, will move from 1st Avenue to 2nd Avenue and 4th Avenue in the southbound direction 24/7 through the end of the year. I also want to prepare bus riders for when the Dearborn on and off ramps to SR 99 close for demolition of the very last segment or one of the very last segments of the Alaskan Way Viaduct. For about a 10-day period between Thursday, September 12th and Saturday, September 21st, nobody's going to be able to use those ramps. And so those buses will be on a reroute for that period. We will have electronic communications. We will have teams of Metro employees out on the streets at bus stops, communicating with our customers and trying to get the word out to everybody as best as we can.